There are many various ways to go about creating a budget. In reality, you can automate a lot of the process with a variety of budgeting apps and programs. However, learning how to create a budget on your own can have a significant positive impact on your long-term financial situation. One method you can use is the 50, 30, and 20 budget, which was initially discussed in the 2005 book All You're Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan by Elizabeth Warren and Amelia Warren Tyagi. So before we start, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for pop-up notifications for my next videos. Now, let's watch how to manage your money in 2023 with the 50, 30, and 20 rule. What is the 50, 30, and 20 budget rule? Your money is divided into 3 categories according to the 50, 30, and 20 budget: essentials, wants, and debt or savings. You can more clearly grasp where your money is going by parsing up your costs in this manner. To begin, figure up your monthly take-home salary. Your take-home pay after taxes is this. Add back any deductions made from your salary for retirement or health insurance plans. Now that you are aware of your monthly payments, let's divide them up based on your budget. If your income fluctuates more from month to month, you might want to find a budgeting strategy that suits your needs better. 50% of the money you have set aside is for needs. Do not pay more than half of your monthly bill. That sum of money is what you'll set aside for needs. Among the list of necessities are housing, utilities, health insurance, groceries, transportation, and prescription drugs. Credit card or auto loan payments are examples of debt that is viewed as necessary. Your credit score suffers if you make late payments. Alimony and child support are additional requirements. You will get into trouble if you don't make either of the payments. Therefore, it's a need. However, that is not a complete list. If you're unsure of what is a need versus a want, think about what would happen if you took it away. For instance, having health insurance is essential because not having it will result in penalties. Additionally, it is crucial for your health. It requires more thought to decide whether your cell phone is a need or a want in trickier situations. Owning anything more expensive than a basic cell phone and phone plan tends to be a want rather than a necessity. Your spending on wants should not exceed 30% of your total budget. Now for the exciting part: wants. The amount you have in this category can be calculated by multiplying your monthly take-home pay by 0.3. Anything that isn't a necessity for survival is a want. Wants include things like vacations, cable and Netflix, gym memberships, and eating out. Additionally included in the category are trips to the salon and clothing purchases. The line blurs when it comes to costs that you might regard as necessary, but that you could actually do without. This might entail leasing a large car rather than an economy model or installing high-speed internet in your apartment. The 50/30/20 budget allows you to set aside a larger portion of your income for wants as opposed to savings. If your objective is to increase your wealth or reduce your debt as quickly as possible, you might want to adjust your allocations. 20% of your budget for debt and savings. Divide your take-home pay by 0.2 to determine how much you should set aside for debt repayment and savings. For instance, if your monthly take-home pay after taxes is $3,200, you would set aside $640, $3,200 x 0.2, for debt and savings. Savings consist of emergency funds, retirement accounts, and any other financial objectives you may have. You can visualize the growth of this money over time with the aid of a savings calculator. In terms of debt, this group includes student loans and other debt that you want to pay off with additional funds. This money is for any additional payments you can make once you set aside funds from your retirement or health savings accounts, even though the needs category may have included a sizable portion of your essential must-pay debt, like your credit card. Warach also advises against implementing the plan too quickly. Although 20% may not seem like much, you might be surprised by how much you can save. Take it slowly though, because it's much simpler to adjust to minor adjustments than it is to a complete life overhaul. How much do you like this information? Tell us in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications to never miss my videos. See you soon. Thanks for watching.